This is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I've got this Jura J9 here. So this machine had a brew unit that was placed in the wrong position, so I had to open up the machine and remove the brew unit, but when I did that I found a lot of coffee buildup throughout the machine, especially around the brew unit. And there was also some buildup here in the milk steamer and minerals throughout the machine that needed to be removed. So I did a full tune-up on the machine, replaced the gasket in the brew unit, which you can see here, and lubricated it, cleaned everything, put it all back together, wiped down the machine, and now I'm just going to pull a test shot just to show you that everything's working. Let's just pull a regular shot of espresso. Alright, hopefully you can see that there. Nice layer of crema on top. And that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching.